It's okay, Angel, okay? I know you're scared. I got you, okay? We've done this before. It's just been a minute. Okay? It's a car ride. You want it to be out of your cage. So, okay? Just chill. I got you, Angel. I got you. I got you, baby love. It's gonna be so fast, painless, quick little vaccine, and you're done. You're done? Try to behave, dog, since there is a police right next to us. Do you think you're driving the car? Good girl. Good girl. It's gonna be okay, Angel. It's gonna be okay. I know. It's confusing, all of it. I know.